Y262 is everything. Ngā mata kite a ngā mata ngaro. Everything that's intangible and tangible. So I think letting everyone know that you're probably Tiaki Taonga and have some connection to this claim, whether you know it or not. And ko Y262, tēnā kreme, ko te tuāpapa. That is the foundation that keeps us safe. So whether you are Tiaki Taonga, whether that's the seedlings of kumara, making maramataka posts on Instagram, or whether that is ngā mahi pātai arorangi, to looking after Māori policies. It's everything. And if you do your Tiaki Taonga space, just know that there's a rōpū, a whakapapa and a kreme that will have those foundations for you in Y260.